Give it up one more time for Krispy Kreme Christofferson over here. For those that haven't heard, Jeff recently directed a documentary about his friend and indigenous comedian Josh Emerson called Bad Indian. Because in Jeff's words, it's just so important that indigenous stories continue to be told through the lens of a white hippie dude.
You look like a gay quilt.
Keep it going for Muppets Take Motley, everybody. Sex-positive Sesame Street character really puts the phenomena in non-monogamy.
You look like a gay quilt.